Where are my bread lovers? In today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to make a delicious loaf of homemade bread. I started by activating my yeast. In a small plate, combine your warm milk, sugar, and then you sprinkle your yeast on top. Give it a little stir. Let your yeast sit for about 5 minutes or until the mixture is fluffy. In another bowl, sieve your flour. Once you're done with that, then you add your sugar, salt, and give that a good stir. Once the yeast is all bubbly, pour it into the flour mixture. Stir everything together until it forms a dough. You are to add 1 cup of warm water. Add your water bit by bit. It's going to get messy at this point. Now transfer it to a work surface. And continue kneading. You are to knead this for like 5 minutes before introducing your butter. Enjoy the process. It's time to introduce your butter. After introducing your butter, you are to continue the kneading process. This will take you like 30 to 35 minutes, or if you have a stand mixer, it will take you like 20 to 25 minutes. This helps develop the gluten and gives your bread that lovely and chewy texture. Once your dough is smooth and elastic just as seen, place it in a lightly oiled bowl and cover with a cling film. Let it rise in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. After an hour, punch down the dough to release the air. And then shape into a loaf size and place it into a greased loaf pan. Cover it again and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Once your dough has risen, grease the top of your bread with oil. Yes, I love doing this before baking. Some people do theirs after baking, but I love mine for baking. And then you are to preheat your oven about 190 degrees. That is if you're making use of an oven. But here, I made use of a pot. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. And And there you have it, simple homemade bread that's perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just enjoying with a little butter. Enjoy the fruit of your labor. Bye.